Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 1 of exercise 11.2. In this question it is given that we are to draw triangle ABC in which BC is 7 cm, angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 13 cm. So to draw this, first of all we will draw a rough figure and then mark the angles B 75 degree, BC 7 cm and AB plus AC is 13 cm. To draw this triangle, first of all we will draw a line segment BC 7 cm. And mark it BC 7 cm. At B point we need 75 degree angle, and this angle is drawn by first of all drawing 90 degree angle. To draw 90 degree angle we need 60 angle, then 120 degree angle, then we will bisect angle between 60 and 120 and then we will get 90 degree. As 90 degree angle is not required, so we will draw a dotted line. We just need this point. From 60 degree and from 90 degree we draw two arcs. So this point will give us the bisector of 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree and we have bisected it, so this much angle is 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 is 75 degree. Then you extend this line and then as AB plus AC is equal to 13 cm, you will open the compass 13 cm and then by keeping the compass at B, you draw a small arc on this. That is, this line is now 13 cm long. This point is not A, this point is D. And then we will join D point to C point. And then we will draw bisector of CD line. How to bisect it? We will open compass more than half of CD and then draw two arcs, one on the right side of CD and one on the left side of CD, and then another arc from point D and then on this side also. By drawing these we get 2 points. If extra arcs are drawn, erase them. So this point and this point we have got. Now we will join these points. This will give us the perpendicular bisector of CD. When we get this point, label it as A and join A to C. And we know that any point which lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line, that point is equidistant from the end points of that line segment. So AD and AC are equal. So if AB plus AD is equal to 13 cm, it means AB plus AC is also equal to 13 cm. Label all the parts. So triangle ABC is a required triangle.